tonight with a look at the urgent nature of this latest winter storm. It's a serious and developing situation. Officials are now warning we could be facing historic and potentially dangerous flooding.
My name is Guo. I'm an assistant research professor working at DRI. I have been working at DRI for 4.5 years and mainly focus on the flood hydrology. I usually use the analogy of a slot machine to flood hazard. So the flood has different drivers. With the particular combination of those drivers matches each other and drives really big flood. So our current conventional approaches for the flood hazard management relies more on statistics and the mathematics, so which doesn't provide a lot of insight of the hydrology. What I try to improve in the future to bridge the gap between hydrological knowledge and flood hazard or flood risk management. This is the model simulation result for the 1997 New Year's event. So we have 3 panels here. On the left is the precipitation. It shows how the storm interact with the Truckee River watershed. And then in the middle, it shows the snowpacks. How does that precipitation events accelerates the snow melting processes. On the right-hand side, you see the river channels across the Truckee River watershed. The bigger one is the main channel, which is the Truckee River. So you see Reno here is really red, which means the flow is really large, which causes the flood event. In the warmer condition, that will increase the snow line, the height of the snow line, which means in the current climate condition, all those high elevation headwater basin, they are still snowmelt driven like a tributary. But in the future condition, it will be rainfall driven. What we should be concerning in the future is the reservoir capacity, the release capacity, and also the overflow capacity will be the capacity will be enough to handle those future events. What we haven't done in this study, but we plan to do in the future, is to propagate our hydrological simulation into hydrodynamic simulation, which can produce a flood mapping of this event. So that will be a clear message to the residents based on the location where you live. It will show whether your location will be influenced by this event. I feel like Reno is like a special place because you can experience in person all those hydrological processes you learned in the books. We have diverse landscape. We have a mountain, we have forest, we have sagebrush, we have desert. So that's like a cool, like a place you can experience all those hydrological processes in person.